Already taped up the top, put back the service door back on. When I was reviewing the video that I took for inside the coil, I noticed down here when I was videotaping there was nothing holding the AC coil in place. What I'm going to do is physically grab and pull towards the camera. The AC coil is sliding. I don't want to slide too much because I don't want to risk damaging coils. I'll do it one more time. This gap here, I'll push it back. I'm going to set the camera so and back. Okay, on the rear side, I'm going to see if I can get this lined up. Ending here.